Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I hope you'll be fine in the best condition of health and iman. Welcome to Dar-e-Arqam School, Faisalabad region. Before starting work, we recite dua. So raise your hand for dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani wa yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen ya Rabbul Alameen. Students, today hadith of the day is Qala Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam La taqulu bishimal. नबी मोहतरम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया बाएं हाथ से मत खाओ। आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का फरमाने आलिशान है बाएं हाथ से मत खाओ। हमेशा हमें खाना खाना हो, पानी पीना हो, किसी भी चीज़ का लेन देन करना हो, किसी को पैसे देने हो, किसी से लेने हो, आपने अपना राइट हैंड यूज़ करना है। इट्स माय राइट हैंड। तो बाएं हाथ से खाने पीने से, लेन देन करने से मना फरमाया है, क्योंकि उल्टे हाथ से या बाएं हाथ से या लेफ़्ट हैंड से जो काम करता है वो शैतान के काम होते हैं। और जो शैतान है उसने अल्लाह तबारक व तआला की नाफरमानी की थी, इनकार किया था और तकब्बुर किया था। तो हमें आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के बताए हुए तरीके पर अमल करना है, ना कि जो शैतान का तरीका है हमें उस पर अमल करना है। तो प्यारे बच्चों, आज से अहद करें। वैसे तो सारे बच्चे जो हैं वो राइट हैंड यूज़ करते हैं खाना खाने के लिए। अगर फिर भी किसी से कोई भूल चूक हो गई हो तो आपने नेक्स्ट टाइम अपना ख्याल रखना है कि अपने राइट हैंड को यूज़ करें ईटिंग के लिए, ड्रिंकिंग के लिए, फॉर एवरीथिंग। क्लियर? ओके, now we start our lecture. Our lecture number is 21, and take out an English book from your bag. Yes, good. And open the page number 25. Book page number 25, and topic of book page number 25 is fruits. Fruits. Yes, topic is fruits. And topic is fruits. Fruits are very important for us. They keep us healthy. Fruits are very important for us. They keep us healthy. Let's start reading. Number 1. Students, tell me what is it? Apple. Good. Apple is red. Apple is red. It is healthy. It is healthy. Apple is red. It is healthy. Students, remember that fruits are healthy, not a junk. Clear? Okay. Apple is red and it is healthy. Yes, what is it? Mango. Mango is yellow. It is sweet. Mango is yellow. It is sweet. Students, do you like mango? Yes, I'm also like. Mango is yellow. It is sweet. And third one is, yes, what is it? Orange. Orange. Orange is a winter fruit. Orange is a winter fruit. It is tasty. It is tasty. Apple. Apple is red. It is healthy. Mango. Mango is yellow. It is sweet. Orange. Orange is a winter fruit. It is tasty. And next, yes, what is it? Banana. Banana. Banana is yellow. I like to eat bananas. Banana is yellow. I like to eat bananas. And next, yes, grapes. Grapes. Grapes are green. They are healthy. Grapes are green. They are healthy. And last one is, yes, what is it? Pineapple. Pineapple is good for health. Pineapple is good for health. Students, revise this page quickly with me. Yes, first pick is apple. Apple is red. It is healthy. And second, mango. Mango is yellow. It is sweet. And third, orange is a winter fruit. It is tasty. And it is also juicy. Banana. Banana is yellow. I like to eat bananas. And next, grapes. Grapes are green and they are healthy. And last one is pineapple. Pineapple is good for health. Now students, open your English workbook from your bag and take a pencil in your hands. Open the workbook page number 57. And topic of this page is write the name of fruits. Students, we write the name of given fruits. Let's start. Yes. What is it? Apple. Good. I write here apple. What is the spell of apple? Yes. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. 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 And next pick of, is it orange? Yes. Banana. Banana? No. Mango. So write here mango. What is the spell of mango? Go. Mango. Sorry. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. And this one is orange. Yes, we write here orange. Orange. Apple, mango, orange. Apple, mango, orange. And next, yes, what is it? Banana. Good. Right here banana. What is the spell of banana? G-B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Banana. And next, grapes. Grapes. Right here, grapes. Have you done, students? Good. And last pick of, yes, pineapple. Okay, we write here pineapple. Pineapple. First of all, we write the spell of pine, P-I-N-E, pine, and then apple. And make a pineapple. Students, repeat this page with me. Apple, mango. we write the name of fruits. Fruits are very important for us. They keep us healthy. Apple, mango, orange, banana, grapes, pineapple. Student, question is, what is your favorite fruit? Yes, my favorite fruit is mango. I write here my favorite fruit, but you write here on your workbook your favorite fruit. Clear? Yes, I like mango. Clear? So my favorite fruit is mango. My favorite fruit is mango. Students, you write on your workbook according to your choice. Clear? What is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango. And do you like mango? If you like, then you write on your workbook. Now students, I have an activity for you. Let's start. Okay. Guess who am I? Students, guess who am I? Okay. Number 1, there are some hints. So we guess what is here. Okay. Number 1, I have yellow color. I have yellow colors. Mango and bananas, both are yellow colors. And next, I am sweet in taste. Both are sweet in taste. Third one, I am the king of fruits. Yes. Who am I? I think mango. First of all, we write here, then we check there. Who am I? King of fruit is mango. Let's see. Yes, mango. So we guess there mango. Clear, students? Students, workbook page number 58 is our revision page. So do this work by your own self. Take your selfie. Imanillah. Allah Hafiz.